Hello friends, welcome to DBA World Tutorials. So the next question is, what is ASM instance in Oracle? An ASM instance is built as in same technology as an Oracle database instance. An ASM instance has a system global area and background process that are similar to those Oracle database. ASM metadata is the information that ASM uses to control a disk group and the metadata within the disk group. Like ASM is an Oracle product, so it is similar to the they are trying to manage the same functionality in Oracle ASM. So like processes, parameters, the functionality wise, but only here the functions is what here the ASMs only is in mount state, and the database we are trying to use in open state. So the max Oracle database size is in open, while Oracle ASM is goes on the only in the mount state. That's it. So what are the properties of the Oracle ASM instance? The ASM instance, which is generally named plus ASM or plus ASM2, is started with the instance type is equal to ASM like init.oin parameter. Do not mount the database. Do not mount the database, but manage the metadata required to make ASM disk file available for the all DB instance. Like one ASM instance is manage all the Oracle database running on that server. So you don't want to create a multiple ASMs on the same server. Only one ASM instance can manage all the database which are running the server. DBA instance access the ASM files directly and it contact ASM instance only for the layout of ASM files, and required only for the init.ora parameter to start off. And what is main advantage you can use here? You can club with the file system and Oracle ASM. So sometimes you want to keep some data files on the another mount point like